I'm afraid I can't help with that from this desk. Could you call the payments team tomorrow?
That's the third person to say that, and your English just stops. There's a payment on your card you never made. You called, you waited, and every person you speak to sends you somewhere else. And the sentence you need is somewhere in your head, in the wrong language, arriving about an hour too late. Here's the good news. This call doesn't need your best English. It needs about 10 sentences. Today, we're going to say all of them out loud together, and by the end, you'll be able to hold your ground on the phone without raising your voice once. Welcome to LINGVA. This is shadowing. It's simple. You hear a native sentence, and you say it back immediately, copying everything. The sounds, the rhythm, the way the voice goes up and down, not later, straight away. That's what builds pronunciation and speed, and the reflex to speak without stopping to think. One rule, and it matters. Say it out loud, not in your head. The sentence only becomes yours in your mouth. 2 moments today, the phone cue, and the fix. Each one is a real conversation first, then we slow down and practice every line. The phone is harder than the shop, because nobody is standing in front of you, and it would be so easy to give up. Nobody gets angry, that's the whole skill. All you need is a quiet room and a voice. Subscribe to LINGVA if you want more of these, and let's begin. Tuesday morning, different problem, the bank. There's a payment on your account you don't remember making, so you call, a robot asks you to explain, then a man asks you to explain again, and puts you on hold. The music plays and plays. 20 minutes later, a third human being finally says hello.
Thanks for holding. How can I help today?
Hi, I've been on hold for 20 minutes.
Apologies, we're very busy this morning.
That's all right. There's a charge here I don't recognize.
Okay, I'm afraid I can't help with that from this desk. Could you call the payments team back tomorrow?
I've already explained this to 2 people. Could you put me through to someone who can?
Let me try transferring you.
Thank you. I'd like to get this sorted today.
State the fact, not an insult, just a number they have to hear. I've been on hold for 20 minutes. I've been on hold for 20 minutes. I don't recognise it. I've never seen this before. Softer than somebody stole my money, and it opens the same door. There's a charge here I don't recognise. There's a charge here I don't recognise. You're telling them, I've done this already. Say it flat, and it lands harder than shouting. I've already explained this to 2 people. I've already explained this to 2 people. Put me through means connect me, transfer my call. He just said he can't help, so she asked for someone who can. This is the sentence that ends the loop. Could you put me through to someone who can? Could you put me through to someone who can? Sorted means fixed, finished, done. Today is the important word. I'd like to get this sorted today. I'd like to get this sorted today. A new voice comes on the line. She's read the notes. She already knows. And this is the part most learners get wrong, because when someone finally helps you, English has a whole set of sentences for taking the win gracefully.
Hi, I've got your case in front of me. I'm sorry about the runaround.
Thank you. Is there anything you can do?
I can cancel the charge and put the money back on your card.
That works for me, thank you.
Great, I'll process that now.
Just so I'm clear, when will I see it?
3 to 5 working days.
Perfect. Thanks for sorting that out. You've been really helpful. I appreciate it.
No problem at all. Have a good one.
The magic question. You don't say what you want. You hand them the chance to fix it. People take it. Is there anything you can do? Is there anything you can do? Accept an offer. Warm, clear, and finished. That works for me, thank you. That works for me, thank you. Just so I'm clear, the polite way to double check something without sounding suspicious. Just so I'm clear, when will I see it? Just so I'm clear, when will I see it? Sort out again, to fix a problem. This is how a native closes a complaint. Thanks for sorting that out. Thanks for sorting that out. And the last one, tell them they were helpful, because tomorrow you might need them again. You've been really helpful. I appreciate it. You've been really helpful. I appreciate it. Don't leave yet. One more pass, all 10, one after another, and this time you don't need me to explain. Just say them with me. I've been on hold for 20 minutes. There's a charge here I don't recognise. I've already explained this to 2 people. Could you put me through to someone who can? I'd like to get this sorted today. Is there anything you can do? That works for me, thank you. Just so I'm clear, when will I see it? Thanks for sorting that out. You've been really helpful. I appreciate it. That's your money back. Notice what never happened. You never got angry and you never gave up. That's not a personality. That's 10 sentences. Save this one. The day you actually need it, you won't have time to learn it. And leave a comment with the one line you still can't say smoothly. That's the one to practice tomorrow. If it helped, give it a like. I'm Ashley. This is LINGVA. Speak English through stories.